Welcome back to another market review. We're going to go through what I was looking for today and why I didn't really take anything. So on the daily, we had these relative equal highs that we've taken. We've come lower, taken out sell side here, we've come higher into this order block, and then same going lower, institutional order flow. Up close candles are being respected. We go lower. So we have this daily BISI here that I was looking for to be rebalanced to by that BISI. Well, really, I'm looking for these discount lows, right? But that BISI there is just something that it could come into and reject off of. So that's why it's marked out. On the hourly, if we zoom in here, below the range, we have this premium for value gap that we've tapped into. And ICT's never really used an example where the fair value gap is already rebalanced. So I was really hesitant on using this as a means to go lower, but I think it could definitely be one. We have this order block here. You could use this as a breaker. We also have this fair value gap here as well. And I think the cleanest trade for today was during a lunch session. And that's because if we zoom in here, mark out premium and discount, we have these premium buy side here, and then this fair value gap here. I was personally expecting that this fair value gap was to be taken here, used as some sort of resistance, but we ended up just accumulating in this area and then manipulating higher one more time, and then picking out these highs. This is a sweep, structure shift here, and then the draw being lower or Sunday gap. So had we come down to and closed below that Sunday gap low, then my stop would probably be at this high. Why? Because the bulk of the orders is in the lower part of the Sunday gap, so I wouldn't really want to see that upper portion be traded into. We still have these lows down here that we could try and trade into. New week opening gap on ES looks a lot better. We respected that really nicely, but I think that's kind of it. That sell side still, but we've already taken that. So ES looks a lot better in terms of coming to a premium of this inefficiency here. Perhaps we'd look at ES instead. Either way, I think during 11, it was still a bit choppy. It wasn't really going into a direction here. We were just range bound in this area. I'm not sure why we would go up, but anyhow, fairly nice market. It became lower probability conditions for me because I said in the Discord that was low probability conditions, and that was because of this hourly area here. I wasn't sure if that was going to be a means to go lower. I could have expected this high because we'd want to see premium buy side taken. I'm not sure if this was discounted as premium buy side, and because of that, I wasn't really looking for shorts, nor was I looking for longs because the high time frame was signaling lower. As well as that, we haven't had anything really obvious showing that we want to go into this order block here. But anyhow, see you guys in the next review. Peace.